If you are over 60 and struggling with weak legs or tingling in your hands, your body may be low in collagen. Collagen is a vital protein that keeps your joints strong, your blood vessels flexible, and your nerves supported. As we age, collagen naturally decreases, but the good news is certain fruits can help boost collagen production naturally. Here are 8 collagen-rich fruits every senior should eat. Fruit number 1 is kiwi. Kiwi is loaded with vitamin C, which your body uses to produce collagen and support healthy nerves. Fruit number 2 is strawberries. Strawberries contain antioxidants that protect existing collagen and help build new tissue, especially in your joints and legs. Fruit number 3 is oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C and help reduce inflammation in the hands and feet. Fruit number 4 is papaya. Papaya has enzymes and vitamins that support collagen creation and improve skin, joint, and nerve health.